So it's cap. Interesting? Yes. Yes. Now again, do remember only phonics of the letters. So a, a, an. It's an. Now what is this? It's a can. Can. It's a, okay. So what first sound? Ca. It's ca. So ca. A. Ca. A. Can. It's can. Is it? It's can. Okay. A. P. A. P. It's a. P. App. It's app. Now what is this? It's a cap. It's a cap. What does? So ca sounds C. C sounds ca. Ca. A. P. Ca. A. P. Cap. Cap. Okay. Now it is a R. So it's a car. What is this? It's a car. So car, how to write? A car. It's a car. Now a d. A d. Now join. Add. It's add. So what smiley is this? Is this sad? What? Come again. Sad. It is sad. What does this, the first phonics you got? Sounds. Who does sound? S. S sounds sa, a, d. Sa, a, d. Sad. This smiley is sad. But you should not sad. You should be happy. Okay, let's see some more. Now again, phonics only. A, a, now join. It's am. Okay, what is this?